This is Josh from Waller Equipment. Today we're taking a look at a 2010 Bobcat S650. These machines are rated for 2,700 pounds of operating capacity. They are equipped with a Kubota 74 horse engine. This is a pre-emissions machine, being a 2010. We've got brand new 1,216.5 tires on this machine. It has heat and air conditioning, suspension seat. See in the cab here, we've got our standard mechanical hand-foot controls. Heat and AC on the one side, radio on the other, throttle control up to our Deluxe display, our keyless start. Over to the other side, we've got our hour meter coming on down. Nice machine, running basically 9,175 hours. We've got power Bob-Tach and 7-pin control there. Give us a call if you're interested.